In this video, we will show you how to change date format in Microsoft Excel. And for example, you have a date data on Microsoft Excel, then you want to change the formats looks like. Okay, for example, we have the format. The general format is month first, for example, 11, and the second is date. This is just for general. Date 2, for example, and 1993. This is the general format that Microsoft Excel use. To change this date format, you can just right click on the cell or column and select format cells. After that, in here, you see the sample of the dates looks like. You can change whatever format that matches with you. Okay, for example, this is from date, then month, and then years. Okay, you can also change to another by right clicking and select format cells and choose date and whatever the day that you want to change like this. Okay, and that's all. Tutorial how you can change the date format in Microsoft Excel. Hope this video helpful for you.